Good day. I'm Dr. Roy Blizzard and have an organization with which many of you are undoubtedly familiar, Bible Scholars. And it's been around for some time, and our mission has been to bring to you the best available in scholarship relating to the biblical text, history, archaeology, textual studies, and we've been fortunate in the past to have association with some of the top scholars in Israel for the last 30-some years. We have any number of programs with these scholars, articles written by the scholars, but our organization has developed to such an extent that it has become increasingly impossible for us to keep up without additional help. And to that end, I want to take this opportunity to introduce to you my very good friend, Stewart Diesel-Reynolds. Stewart has been a close personal friend since 1984 and has been studying with me, has written a book based upon the information that he's gained from Bible scholars. Very important book created in his image that I want to recommend to all of you, that can be ordered online, or you can order it from Bible scholars. Created in his image by Stewart Diesel-Reynolds. And Stewart is joined with his lovely wife, Gail, who is the daughter of one of my very good friends who invited me the first time I ever went to Africa, Henry Nell, and we spent a number of years together in meetings and journeying throughout Africa, and they just seemed to be the logical couple to step in and take over Bible scholars. And to that end, I want to introduce them to you and urge you to get in and to help them as they carry Bible scholars forward. We have all kinds of things planned. I don't really have the time to tell you the number of things that we've discussed that we're going to be bringing forward in the very near future for Bible scholars. And Stewart and I, over the last few days, have been doing a lot of material that's going to be appearing on YouTube. And I feel sure, because of the nature of material that we're going to be offering to you, that you're going to be not just educated and informed, but that you're going to be blessed as well. So let me turn and to welcome you, Stewart, and to say thank you very, very much for what you and Gail have agreed to do, how you've agreed to help Bible scholars and carry it forward. And I want to introduce you to all of our listeners out there, and once again encourage you to get behind Stewart and Gail and give them your help and your assistance. And thank you very much.